I have always wanted to get glowing skin naturally for years, but I never thought I would succeed. I'm not a fan of using harsh chemicals on my face because I like to keep my skin healthy and clean. Furthermore, the harsh chemicals can sometimes cause my skin to get dry and itchy. You don't need expensive anti-aging creams to have beautiful, glowing skin. There are plenty of all-natural ingredients that can brighten your skin while reducing the signs of aging. The best part is they're cheap and easy to prepare. If you're looking for glowing skin, there are a few natural remedies that you can use that can leave your skin looking healthy, vibrant, and radiant. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is an antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory plant that can be found worldwide. The aloe plant leaves can be used for many purposes, one of which is soothing the skin and treating skin infections. The leaves are also known to heal burns, moisturize the skin, and even absorb toxins from the skin. Wash your face before applying aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning with lukewarm water. 2. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most consumed edible fruits in the world. It is an excellent fruit for your skin because of its numerous natural properties. It can improve the appearance of your skin by removing acne, blackheads, and other skin problems. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Lemon is also an anti-inflammatory, which decreases oil on the skin and makes it useful for conditions like acne. Apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to your face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry. Apply a light moisturizer. If you're not sure how your skin reacts to lemon juice, do the patch test before applying it to the face. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is an effective antioxidant, and its most pronounced effects are on the skin. It can provide a healthy glow to the skin, reducing inflammation, which can produce long-term results. Turmeric also helps to improve your skin by brightening its natural glow. You can mix small amounts of honey and turmeric and apply them to your face. Leave it on until it dries and then wash off with water. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a highly effective beauty tool that naturally exfoliates your skin, helping to improve your complexion and reveal fresh, healthy skin every day. Baking soda gently removes dead skin cells, helping your skin look vibrant and younger, while leaving a healthy glow behind. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water and apply it to the face using circular motions. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Buy Fuller's Earth. It's a mineral-rich clay used for centuries to beautify skin and draw out toxins from the body. It is known to absorb the oil and other impurities from the skin, making it an effective skin cleanser. Mix a tablespoon of Fuller's Earth with the same amount of rose water. Apply it on the face and leave it until it's dried and wash off with water. Try out these and let us know in the comments which natural remedy do you prefer. If you liked the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.